Welcome back, guys, to our DSA challenge series. This is the phase 4 of our series, and the questions that we are tackling in this series are based on stacks. The question that we are going to look today is maximum twin sum of a linked list. So let us see what does the question says. The question says we are given a linked list of size n where n is even. So the size of the linked list which is provided to us is of the even size. The ith node of a linked list is known as the twin of the n minus 1 minus ith node if I satisfies this following condition. Let me tell you what does the question says. The question says we are given a linked list of even size. For example, 5421 is the linked list of size 4, which is even. So the twin is defined as the twin of node 5 is 1. The twin of ith node is the n minus 1 minus ith node. If I satisfies this particular condition, I should be greater than equal to 0 and should be lesser than or equal to n by 2 minus 1. So the twin of 5 is 1, the twin of 4 is 2. In this way, we are going to calculate the twins. And what we need to do is we need to return the maximum twin sum of a linked list. So in example number 1, the twin of node 5 is node 1, the twin of node 4 is node 2. So what is the sum? 5 plus 1 equals to 6 and 4 plus 2 also equals to 6. So here the sum remains the same, so our output will also be 6. In example number 2 will help us to give a better understanding. So let us see our example number 2. In example number 2, the twin of node 4 is node 3. Node 0 is the twin of node 3, having a twin sum as 4 plus 3, which comes out to be 7. Node 1 is the twin of node 2, having a twin sum of 2 plus 2, which comes out to be 4. Now the maximum twin sum is among 7 and 4 is 7. So our output will be 7. So I hope the question is clear to you now. Now let us see the approach of this particular question with the help of a code. Now from the question, it is very much clear to us that node 0 twin is the last node. Node 1 twin is the last second node. So in this way, the twins are defined in this particular question. So what we need, and we need to calculate the twin sum. So we need the first node and the last node. We need the second node and the last second node so that we can calculate the sum easily. So what we did, in line number 14, we have defined a stack. And in line number 15, we have made one node current, which is pointing towards the head of the linked list. Then we have applied one condition while current is not equal to null, and we are pushing the current value in our stack. Now at the end, when this loop gets over, the last element, the last node value will be at the top of a particular stack. Stack is based on last in, first out. So the node having at the end will come at the top of the stack. Now we have in line number 22, we have again defined a variable current, which is pointing towards the head. We have defined a count variable as 1 and ns stack.size. And in result, we are storing our final answer, which is at present 0. Now we have applied one condition while count is lesser than or equal to n by 2. Result is equals to max of result, comma. Current well plus st.top. This is the main. Here we are calculating the twin sum. Current well plus st.top. Current well is the node in the starting one and st.top is the node at the ending one. So both of their sum will give us the twin sum. Then we will pop the element from the stack and we will move the current to our next pointer. Current is equals to current next. And we will increment count so that condition fulfills. Count lesser than or equal to n by 2. Once the while loop gets completed, we will be able to calculate the twin sum of each and every node, and in our result variable, the maximum twin sum will get stored. So we will directly return result. The question was pretty simple. I hope the question is clear to you all. If it is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.